How many did you get?
3.
Okay, take your 3 sheep.
1, 2, 3.
How many did you get?
2. 1. 2.
How many did you get?
2.
How many do you have?
4.
How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Who's winning?
Me.
What? Is it? It's called a tie when you both have the same
It's
amount.
equal.
All right, William, your turn. What did you get?
6.
Ooh, is that a good number?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, that's
Okay, your turn, William. What'd you get?
6.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, you need to get your sheep away from the other pile. There you go. All right.
Three. No.
Okay, your turn.
5.
Okay, get your 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, and you get the last one, honey. It's just one, so whatever you roll. Okay, count your sheep.
2, 4, 6, 8, 9.
Very good. How many do you have?
1,
Uh-huh.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Oh, it's just 21. You counted one twice. You have 21. She has 9. Who wins?
Me.
Ta-da!